Hi, I'm Sean Taylor. October is National Pizza Month, and I eat a slice of pizza a day at 31 different locations with at least one guest. Today, my guest is Robin.
Hi!
Where'd we go, Robin?
To Lazzara's on 9th Avenue between 43rd and 44th Street.
She's right, we did.
It's really hot. It comes out of the oven extremely hot. By the way, we're at Lazzara's.
So I'm here in Times Square, I guess obviously, which is right near the slice place for Lazzara's. I enjoy Lazzara's pizza. It's a nice Sicilian style crust, but it doesn't have that doughy, weighty feel to it that usually Sicilian crust does. So therefore, you can eat quite a bit of it and not feel as guilty because it's got such thin crust. The flip side of that is that it gets kind of expensive. I mean, we had like an equivalent of 3 slices each, and it ended up being close to $20. So if you do the math, it's like $3 a slice, and that's not a very good deal for very thin, small slices. In short, I left kind of hungry. Because it's so thin, the Sicilian style crust did not fill me up. In this area, you're not going to find great pizza. You're going to have to go at least a block west in order to get some good pizza. And I would put Lazzara's in that list of good pizza. So if you're okay with Sicilian style and you want to try a less doughy square pie, then Lazzara's is the place to go. Overall, I give Lazzara's a 3 1/3 out of 5. For more information, check out my blog at 31daysofpizza.com.